Welcome, in front of me is a ODYS Thanos 10, and today I'll show you how we can put this tablet into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and wait for the device to turn off. Now because I am charging it, I'm gonna get the battery status right here, show up in a moment. There we go. So I need to wait for it to disappear first. Interesting, I was literally at 80% and now I'm at 4. Anyway, once it disappears, you can then hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will then boot us into boot mode. There we go. So once you see this appear, you want to navigate using volume up. And you want to navigate in order to select the first option. If it's not already selected, you can press volume up just to cycle through it, make sure that it is at the very top, and then press volume down to confirm it. This will then boot us into a recovery mode. So there we go. Now it is upside down now for some odd reason. So if you want to navigate up, you want to press volume up, which is technically lower than volume down, which is kind of counterintuitive. So anyway, as you can see, you can navigate using volume keys. I guess that will be the simpler way of explaining it. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, from here we can reboot the device and go back to Android. We can reboot the bootloader, which we just came from. We can apply update from ADB or SD card. We can wipe data or cache partition, non-system, view logs, run tests, and power off our tablet. Like I mentioned, whatever you have selected, you then confirm it with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with the first option, confirm, and this will now take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.